Alright, I think the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to add the pockets. And I created a palette. This should have been down here. But if I would have done this down here, then, because this is 5x7, it wouldn't have came out. I maybe should have taken it out, but I didn't want to waste it. So I'm going to keep it in there. It's fine. It's an art journal. Okay? So if you use it like this, no, if you use it like this, and you flip it like this, then it works. But not like this. You can also cut these in half. I'm not going to cut it in half. I'm going to leave it as a book. And whomever decides to purchase this book, they can go ahead and cut it in half or use it as is. One pocket is going to go here, and then the other one's going to go in the back. And then I think that we are done with this journal because I don't want to do anything else to it. Alright, so let's go ahead. Okay, and the paint palette actually fits in here, just like that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add some glue. I hate covering this pretty paper, this pretty paper, the vintage coffee dyed paper, but if we must, we must. Oh, I should have left the back open. Ah, duh. That's okay. Alright, I'm going to try and center this without getting my head in the way. Right there. Looks about right. Right about there. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love it. Okay, we're going to let that cure, dry, and then the other one's going to go here. And these were scraps for the back of the paper that I was using. Look at this, I went too high there. Okay. Well, it's a good thing I didn't. This I put in backwards. Duh. Okay. Can't change it now. Keep misplacing my here, my bone folder. Okay, let's let that cure. That looks like it needs a little bit of glue. I'm sorry if I'm off camera. Okay, I think this needs a little bit of glue too. I didn't put enough glue on here. Okay, this one should be dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a paper clip out of one of these. I think I like this one. So that then I could go ahead and use the paper clip. Alright, so let's do that really quick. Let me get the paper clip off. What is going on? Oh. I finished the paper clip, added a backing, and then now we're just going to place it right on top of this pocket here. Oh, you know what? You can place it right here on your first page. How about that? There you go. And the little one just needs to dry in its entirety. And then all of these goodies I will put in a glycine bag. I will put these in a glycine bag. So you have the glycine bag that you can work with. You have 12 tags. You just fold it like this. And then you could just place it into your pocket. Just like that. If the glycine bag is too tall, you could fold it, but what I'm going to do, I have the pinking shears. Do I want to fold it? I don't want to cut your bag. Yeah, you know what? I'll just fold it. So you have a full bag. And there is your pocket. Isn't this just gorgeous? I'm thinking about doing something for the spine, like just putting art journal, but we'll see. Maybe I'll decoupage that on, since it is an art journal. Let me see if I can print out some letters and then just go ahead and put some letters on here, or maybe letters from a magazine. Give me a minute and I will be right back. Alright guys, I think that we are done with this journal. I went ahead and typed up these 2 words. I decoupaged them right onto the spine. I'm sure you could see the shine. And that'll protect your paper from scuffing up as well. And it'll keep it intact. Now, this is the package that you'll receive. The book itself with the art journal words on the side, the elastic matching the color of the cover, and then I made this paper clip, the small one, and then of course you have this bag. I think I'm gonna do a cutout on this. I'm not sure, but anyway, I'll leave it like that for now. You have your tickets, and you have your I forget what you call these, mason jars, And then you can also use the glycine bag. Okay, so let's put this back here. If you want to cut this open for easier access, it's your book, you can do what you want. This is another large mason jar. Could put it there or wherever you'd like. And then these are, I changed the order of the papers. I put all of the coffee dyed papers in front. Look how beautiful that is. That is a purple sheen on that to go with the outside. And you have there's 60 pages in this journal, so each one is about 5. And then you have, this is 110 pound cardstock, and you have Nina White as well. You could tell the difference between the white and the Nina White and the 110 cardstock. All right, and then you have also, this is 65 pound. 65 pound. It's 65 pound cardstock brown. Okay. And then this one, I just printed that out, added that, and I have to add, if I add 2 more pages, it'll be 64 pages, because this one only has 2 in the back. And then you have another pocket here. You have your paint palette. You could either cut it in half to put both in there, or you can use it like that. Why can't I put it in there? Let's try this way. There we go. Alright. And then here's your second pocket. I put my information down here. And this book is done. I just love it. I may keep this one for myself. I'm going to do a couple more. But this is going to be my signature journal. I love it. Alright guys, please leave a comment down below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you soon. Let me know any ideas that you may have for journals. And I will be doing them in, I think, 3 sizes. This is a 5x7. I'm going to do a 4x6. And then maybe an 8x10. I figured that the smaller they are, the better you could put in your purse, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you next time. Take care.